Hello everyone and welcome to Cook It Yourself. As I'm sure you've guessed, this is about food, but more than that. My videos will look at a few different aspects. One of it is I'll be looking into the food that we all buy and digging into it ingredients wise. For example, we buy a sandwich. How much of what we pay for is for the bread? Is it good value? How much bang for buck are we getting? And I'll compare these between different shops and brands. Ever felt that some sandwiches weren't great value for money? Felt a bit begrudged at just what you were getting for your money? Felt that you could cook it better but just didn't know how easy it would be, or didn't think or know whether it'd be worth it or not? Well, I'm here to show you just how hard or easy, how long or short it takes, and just how worth it cooking it yourself could be. Since we are comparing things, I'll also review some foods and ingredients to give information about the characteristics of different products. For example, which is the crunchiest or the creamiest peanut butter? Is this ketchup sweeter or tartar than another? And which is the thickest of the yogurts? I'll give ratings to each of the characteristics to help you choose which ones to get based on your own personal tastes, or at least narrow it down so you don't have to try 10 different jars of peanut butters to find the one. So why am I doing this? I like analyzing things. I like Excel spreadsheets. I've got a spreadsheet that compares the price of different nuts across different shops. I've got a spreadsheet that I've used to track my weight over the last 3 years almost daily. I've got a spreadsheet that lists the amount of frequent flyer miles and cash that I need to fly to and from South Korea. I also like efficiency. I like to know that what I'm getting is good quality considering how much I've invested in it. Putting those two together, I'd be curious to see if, for example, a sandwich that's double the price is worth it or not. Maybe it's 3 times as big and can fill up 3 meals. Maybe it's the same amount of fillingness, but it uses better quality ingredients or more expensive ingredients. Maybe it's just overpriced. We'll find out. And I like trying new and different foods and comparing them. I like to know what I like and which I like, but it is challenging trying everything. If I want to compare 2 different jars of peanut butters, I need to eat 2 full jars of peanut butters. But that's harder across 5 different brands and all the different products under each brand. I'm sure some of you have the same dilemmas and the desire to know, so hopefully I'll be able to solve some of that for you. I also hate food waste, or waste of things in general, or lack of efficiency for that matter. Just wanted to throw that out there. I will try to be as objective as possible when I talk about the characteristics of different foods. I think this is only fair since each person has their own different tastes. Some people prefer sweet, others sour, bitter, umami, to each their own. I'm not going to ask at the end of each video to subscribe to the channel. You guys all know how YouTube works. If you like it, you'll subscribe, or you won't. I'm going to save my breath, your ears, and all our time. Efficiency. Let the journey begin.